Hello everyone, I am Sushmita S from BMS College of Engineering, Bengaluru. I was a part of Team Agrini 2.0. During the studies carried out during the project work, I have understood several concepts related to aircraft design during the timeline of the competition. I have also learned the usage of different softwares like Python, ANSYS, and Autodesk, which has helped me to enhance my skills and knowledge regarding the analysis and all. I'm grateful to the Team NATTEC for hosting the competition and guiding us throughout the competition by conducting several webinars. I would like to thank our mentor Kamesh sir, who has supported and guided us throughout. I sincerely express my gratitude towards the NATTEC team for supporting us to enhance our knowledge and skills, which would boost up our careers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya Sadaryoshi. I am studying in BMS College of Engineering and I am a member of Team Agrini 2.0 in the NATTEC 4 competition. It was a very challenging, interesting as well as fun in learning the concepts required for the design of the aircraft. My major contribution was in the propulsion subsystem and a bit in performance and analysis part. It gave me a very good knowledge about how the propulsion subsystem is crucial in design of the aircraft and how it depends on other subsystems as well. It made me aware of my mistakes, and in this course of time I also learned how to approach the same. I really enjoyed being the part of the NATTEC team competition. Thank you, NATTEC.
Hi, my name is Pratyush, and being a member of the Team Agrini 2.0, I was responsible for the flight mechanics and the aircraft design. I would say it was a really enriching experience. I got to know about the various aircraft designs and how one parameter leads to the change in the subsequent parameters. And I also got to know that design is a iterative process, so we make mistakes, we learned again, and over the course of this project we finally came up with the aircraft with optimized configuration. In flight mechanics we got to know how to design the rudders, the ailerons, and find out the CG and the neutral point. So it was a really good experience, and I am really thankful to the NATTEC organizing team to give us this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Mansi Manohar from Team Agni 2.0. I contributed initially with propulsion of the aircraft and also worked in the mechanism of the tilt rotor. I further looked into the ECS and the avionics part of the aircraft. I had a wonderful experience working with my teammates towards building the aircraft, and it has helped me get a better understanding of the various aspects in the aircraft. NATTEC has helped me in figuring out what are the areas I'm interested in working towards in the future. I'm really grateful for this experience that has been given to me by NATTEC.
Hey everyone, my name is Rohit Subash. I'm a second year aerospace engineering student in BMSC. I participated in NATTEC 4 in the Team Agrini 2.0. NATTEC 4 was a really interesting competition. It helped me gain a lot of experience and skills required to carry a project. In the process of designing an aircraft, it helped me understand the various systems in an aircraft and how each of the systems are related to one another. It motivated me to learn new softwares, which will be helpful for my other projects as well. The webinars that were conducted by the organizers was also really helpful. And so I would like to thank the organizers for this opportunity to participate in this competition.